대신했어요 모두 보고 싶었어 우리도 어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Desa Putri with student ID 2423020 for class DMTK 3A. I am creating a remedial video for the midterm exam in English for mathematics to discuss the question and answer it incorrectly. The video is intelligent of fulfill in remedial requirement for English for mathematics with a supervising lecturer, Mrs. Fatur Rahmi. Alright, let's start with the first question. 1. What do we call a number that is not whole? Answer C. Fraction. Because in mathematics, a number that is not whole, not an integer, whether positive or negative, is usually represented as a fraction or decimal. A fraction shows a non-whole number because it represents the division of two integers such as 1/2, 3/4, or 5/8. Therefore, fraction is the correct term for a non-whole number. 2. James has 28 marbles and wants to share them equally with his friend. Which of the following represents a possible number of friends he can share them with? Answer A. 2. Because the correct answer is that James can share his 28 marbles equally with two friends because 28 is divisible by 2. When sharing equally, the total number 28 must be divided by the number of friends, resulting in a whole number. Since 28 divided by 2 is 14. James could give each friend 14 marbles of the share with two friends. In other words, for James to divide his marble equals the number of friends must be a factor of 28, such as 2, 4, 7, 14, or 14. 3. Which of following is a property of an exactly triangle? Answer B. Two sides are equals because this is a defining property of an exactly triangle. In a exactly triangle, exactly two sides are of equals like, and the angle opposite those two sides are also equals. 9. A number has exactly 4 factors. Which of the following could be that number? Answer C. 10. Because to determine which number has exactly 4 factors, let's examine each option. 7. The factor for 7 are 1 and 7. Has only 2 factors since it's a prime number. 9. The factor of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. It has factor. 10. The factor of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. It has 4 factors. 24. The factor of are 1 and it has only 2 factors, as it also a prime number. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 10. Because it has exactly 4 factors, 1, 2, 5, and 10. 10. A school has X students of 20 more students enrolled, which equals show the new total number of students. Answer A. X plus 20 is Y. Because if a school has X students and 20 more students enroll. The new total number of students will in that be the original number x plus 20 more give the expression x plus 20. The equation that represents this new total as y is x plus 20 is y. 11. If the radius of a sphere is doubled, how does the volume change? Answer D. It increases by a factor of 8 because the formula for the volume of a sphere given by V is 4 threads, P are cubic. Where R is the radius of the sphere. If the radius of the sphere is doubled, becoming 2r, then the new volume V becomes P is 4 thread P. 2r cubic is 4 thread P 8r cubic. 8 4 thread P r cubic. This shows that if the radius of a sphere is doubled, the volume increases by a factor of 8. 13. Which of the following shapes has a circular base? Answer B. Cylinder. Because cylinder has a circular base because it consists of the parallel figures the base connected by a curved surface. The circular bases are congruent, meaning they have the same radius and they lie in parallel planes. 14. Under the curve x is x squared. For x is 0 to x is 2 can be found using which integral? Answer A. Because integral 30x squared dx. Because to find the f's are under the curve of the shell fx x squared from x is 0 and x is 2, you would use a definite integral. The integral to calculate the area under the curve is integral 30 x squared dx. 1. The population of the city was 25,000 in 1870 and it triples every 40 years. What will it be in 1990? We know population is 25,000 in 108,070. Equation population in 1,990. Answer. Population in triples every 40 years is 1,919 minus 1,870 is 120 years. 120 years is 14 years plus 14 years plus 14 years. 1,870 plus 40 is 1,910 is population in 1,910 is 1,870 times 3 is 25,000. 1,000 times 3 is 75,000 population. 1,910 plus 40 is 1,950 is population in 1,950 is 1,910 in 10 plus 3 is 75,000 plus 3 is 225,000 population. 1,950 plus 40 is 100. 1,990 is population in 1,990 is 1,950 plus 3 is 900 is 225,000 times 3 is 675,000 population. So the population of the city in 1,919 would be 6,675,000 population. 2. A flagpole casts a shadow that is 30 feet long. If the height of the flagpole is 40 feet, is the distance from the top of the flagpole to the end of the shadow. We know shadow is 30 and height is 40. Equation: what is the distance from the top of the flagpole to the end of the shadow? Answer: we use theorem of Pythagoras. Yes, C squared is A squared plus B squared. C is root A squared plus B squared. X is root 14 squared plus 30 squared is root 1,600 plus 900 is root 22,500 is 50. So the distance from the top of the flagpole to the end of the shadow is 50 feet. A cup has a side length of 6 centimeters. The shape is inscribable within the cup. What is the diameter of the sphere? We know a cup like 6 centimeters. Equation: what is diameter? Answer: if the shape in the script within a cup, then the diameter of the sphere is equal to the length of the side of the cup. Since the sphere touches the cub's side at exactly one point on each face, if that the side length of the cup is 6 centimeters, the diameter of the sphere is also diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeters. So diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeters. 4. A job offers a starting salary of $20,000 with an annual raise of 1,500 With a linear function is T that represent the salary after 3 years. What will the salary be after 5 years? We know starting salary is 20,000 and annual rises is 1,500. Question: the salary be after 5 years? Answer: ST represent the salary after 3 years. The function can be expressed as ST is 30,000 plus 1,500 times T. To find the salary after 5 years, substitute T is 5 into the function S is 5 is 30,000 plus 1,500 times 5 is 30,000 plus 7,500 is 37,500. Thus, the salary after 5 years is 3,700 and $5,000. 5. Adrian means score for test matches is 64. He wants to increase his mean to 68 after is the 50th test. What does he need to score in the 50th test match? We know mean score for 4 tests is 64 and mean score for 5 tests is 68. Equation need to score in the 50 tests. Answer: mean is total score divided by number of tests. First, for the test, 64 is total score divided by 4 is 64 is total score is 64 times 4 is 256. Find the total score required for 5 tests to have 68. 68 is total score after 5 tests divided by 5. Total score after 5 tests is 68 times 5 is 340. Needed to score in the 50 tests. Score needed of 50 tests is total score after 5 tests minus total score after 5 tests. Score needed of 5th test is 340 minus 256 is 84. So Adrian need to score 84 in the 5th test math to achieve a mean score of 68.